I am in Istanbul, Turkey, and it's time. My hair loss isn't in my control, and I would say that your hair, it's not life and death, but it is important to me.
I want a densification on this part, and the remaining graft, I want to increase the density on the crown.
When I start to lose my hair, I feel like I'm losing a lot more than my hair. I thought to myself at some points, well, shall I just shave it off? And I thought, well, I'm giving up. Why am I giving up?
Consultation is complete. Had a nice chat with the doc. Very excited about getting it down, and I just want to make a start now.
If you're ready, let's start.
It's going to be done and dusted, and hopefully it'll look very good.
I think they focused on the back area especially. In this operation, we are not gonna do like that because I want to do homogeneously the extraction, and I want to use white area as much as I can because I don't want to leave too much scars on the donor.
Okay. My first hair transplant, it wasn't really planned properly. Hair transplants have moved on a long way. And I looked at other places in the world, the clinics in Turkey, and yours in particular. Your team were very honest with me, and I have a lot of questions. They didn't make promises that they couldn't keep.
We did a great number, 4,500 graft, you know. And now I'm gonna do the incision, making holes for your grafts, and I'm gonna follow your original direction, angle, and density. It is the most critical part. And after this part, you don't feel anything. It's a good news for you. And no more needles also. And I think we will get a great results, but we will see. Okay? Do you have any questions about anything else?
No, doc. Thank you very much.
I've almost timed, so I'll have 12 months after my hair transplant. So when the large project which I'm working on, when it comes to fruition, and once it begins to be out there properly, at the same time, my hair will be back as well. After today, in 6 months, I should be very happy with the results.